With that being said, please give a warm welcome to the next company up on stage, which is MedGrids.
Yeah, thank you so much. So this is Dr. Raj. Oh my God, this is going to be a little different. So I'm a medical doctor from India, and I am here with my team and my co-founder, Dr. Sakshi Kaushik. I am a practicing physician there in India, and our team consists of specialist doctors, blockchain developers, and a unique mix, and also some IT programmers. So we are a project which is incubated by Indian Institute of Technology. It's a premier government institution back there in India. So what we are doing at MedGrids, we are creating the digital version of the patient journey that you take from migrating from disease towards health. And we are doing all this studied deep inside the blockchain. So basically, MedGrids is a platform which consists of 5 different solutions, which caters to the unique pain points, unique pain areas that we have seen as practicing in this field for more than a decade now. So we'll be rolling out all this according to a fixed roadmap, which is very logically designed. We are going to market with our first product that is called MedSure in this month itself. So what is MedSure? MedSure is world's first, I proudly say, NFT-enabled, blockchain-based, anti-counterfeiting, anti-hoarding, and track and trace solution for pharmaceutical and allied industry. So what is MedSure basically, and how it is different from the plethora of anti-counterfeiting solution that is already available in the market? So what we are doing by virtue of blockchain, we are decentralized. And by using non-fungible tokens as the technology behind our scannable solution on the end product, we are practically hack-proof. Also, we don't want the current pharmaceutical complex supply chain, pharmaceutical industry's complex supply chain to change much to be aligned with our solution. We are keeping ourselves GS1 serialization compliant from day one. And as we have in our team, pharmaceutical supply chain veterans who have designed the solution. Also, with MedSure, you get a complete end-to-end tracing, like from the contract manufacturer to the end user, complete in one single link. And also, you also get features like product recall, expiry date management, inventory management, basically a complete supply chain visualization on a single screen via MedSure, all on blockchain. And if we talk about the end user, for him or her, it's as simple as scan, login, and verify. That's it. So we'll be launching MedSure in the Q4, basically in this month itself. Next solution that is in advanced developmental pipeline from MedGrids is called MedSheets. It's a very unique thing. It is basically 2 things. It is one, a healthcare delivery aggregator. Basically, you can order consultation, book consultations, medicines, ambulances, all the healthcare delivery services that you can think of. And at the same time, while we migrate through this platform, doing all your healthcare disease stuff, the electronic health record that you generate will also be stored on the same platform, which you can share on the click of a button. Complete control will lie with you. So we are creating the patient side of electronic health records. We are putting all the healthcare services in a single app, and the control lies with the patient. And also, there are real-time incentives for unlocking your data on our platform. So basically, you are carrying lifetime of health records in your pocket with MedSheets. And at MedSheets, we are putting patient engagement, and the UI is designed such that it can be used by any age group of patients. So basically, we are empowering patients. We have taken care of the legal and tech compliances as we are dealing with the healthcare data, and we have been helped much by the government of India and also Indian Institute of Technology in that. Also, we have tokenized the healthcare for the first time. MedGrids is a company which is other than India registered here in Dubai and in Seychelles. We have our token Med, which is in ICO phase. It can be used platform-wide for accessing all our services available on medgrids.io. Thank you so much for listening. Please.
I really loved your presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was absolutely brilliant. Just a couple of questions.
Sure.
You haven't covered the revenue projection side.
Yeah.
And what is your overall strategy to grow the business? And also, I saw that you looked at 3 geographies.
Yeah.
Do you have intentions to kind of expand on that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So the revenue strategy for MedSure, it's a subscription-based model. The company or the track and trace provider, there are basically 2 entry points that we are hitting at. So they will have to get a subscription package from us based on their lot size for the amount of services that they want to avail from the MedSure. It's a collection of services. That is one. Second, on MedSeats, all the delivery, healthcare delivery that we are providing, we will be obviously charging as a commission-based model to whomsoever we serve. And also, once you have our EHR, our healthcare data accumulated with us, we will be converting it into healthcare data analytics, which will be monetized. And the unique point being that once that data is monetized, the patient, the data principal, and also the aggregator will be getting a pre-coded by our blockchain incentive in real time, as we also earn commission from that.
And what about your team?
Yeah, so our team consists of three kind of stack basically. The first stack is us, the doctors. We are a specialist in our field, and that too not randomly specialized, like we are a specialized radiologist, we are a specialized pediatrician, the kind of data that is being generated from the healthcare side. The second stack consists of the blockchain developers. We have three great blockchain developers with our team, and we have partnered with an IT firm. It is called Agio Solutions. They are here. So for developing our IT platform. They have been into blockchain arena for more than 3 years now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good presentation. User acquisition in healthcare is going to be difficult.
Yeah.
So have you thought about how you're going to try, solve that through partnerships, and what kind of partners would you like?
Yeah, so it is one of my most favorite questions to answer. The time is up, but I will just tell you, MedSure, we are going B2B. So we have already partnered with few of the pharmaceutical industry and also few of the track and trace providers. We are already our early adopters of MedSure. With MedSeats, we are doing it in both ways, like user acquisition via the app and the marketing, the usual way of acquiring B2C customers, and also we are going to the larger chains of hospitals and diagnostic labs there in India, and gradually we want to move out to Southeast Asia and Africa as well. Okay, thank you so much.